In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix PlayStation Store purchasing problem. If you're encountering a purchasing error while trying to buy a game from the PlayStation Store, whether it's a demo, a free-to-play game, or a paid game, there are several methods to address this issue. First, try restarting your console to see if that resolves the problem. If not, navigate to Settings and access users and accounts. Here, you can attempt signing out of your account, and if possible, delete the user profile. Afterward, re-add the user profile. If this doesn't resolve the issue, you can try the final option, which involves restoring licenses. Sometimes this method can fix the problem even if it's not specific to the game you're trying to purchase. Many times, purchasing errors are related to network issues, and performing these steps can help resolve the issue. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.